After you've uploaded your video, get the shareable link, then go to edpuzzle, and you'll see that I'm already logged in here, so it'll just bring me right to my edpuzzle content. And if this isn't up, you can click on your content, but then go to YouTube and then just paste your link. Then it's going to be in here.
There are 4 basic watercolor techniques. First, you want to tape down 4 pieces of watercolor paper all the way around the edges. This stretches it. You can soak them first if you want to stretch, which is in another video. The first technique is wet on wet. I'm going to draw a small circle using my whole arm to get a nice sphere shape. And I'm going to mark where I want to leave white. I will not put any water in that white spot. I'm going to cover the rest of that shape with water. Putting just the right amount takes practice. Sometimes you can put too much, sometimes you're not putting enough down, but this technique is called wet on wet.
Now I'm going to click on questions, and then I'm going to put in multiple choice, and this will grade it, and I can put these throughout this lesson. And I write my question out, or partial question, and then I can click on which is going to be like the right answer, so I can make either of them right or wrong. I type that in there, and it will grade it for me, which is awesome. So I usually put about 3 to 5 questions throughout, going all the way to the end. That way I can make sure that they are paying attention all the way to the end of the video. You will be able to see if they've watched the entire video, but you want to make sure they're paying attention as well. And just save the question. When you finish your video, go ahead and assign it to a class. You can add a new class and click the grade level. You can give it a description or a subject. And then push create class. Then you can add a due date and click assign. So your start date will be today unless you want it to be later than that. You select the time and the date. And then go ahead and assign the video to the students. And then you can share the assignment with whatever classes you want and copy the link.